Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and let me show you how to update application on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, it is right here, then go to the More icon and click on My Apps and Games. And here, as you can see under Updates, you will find all applications that can be updated, and you can update either one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, or you can update everything, update all applications just by tapping on Update All. So let me click here, and as you can see, it will be done. You have to be connected to Wi-Fi or any other network, and at first the latest versions will be downloaded and then installed, and here you'll be able to observe the progress. Obviously, meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can make some phone call, play a game, search the browser, and anytime you will go back to Play Store, you will be able to check the progress. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.